feel like I'm in a freaking baby car seat.
Oh my gosh, you can turn it! What is up, guys? Welcome to another brand new day in the vlog, guys. I am super excited about today, guys, and I'm sure that you guys are as well from the title of this video. Guys, I have just replaced the differential fluid in the car, and so now that we have the differential fluid all in there, we used the Royal Purples. Apparently it's the best stuff, one of the best stuff. So we're gonna take that, basically just put the differential back in the car, and we're gonna see what else we can't tear up. Let's get on to it, as we have a brake and light inspection we need to be getting to later today. Alrighty, guys, so I have just put back in the differential. Fluid's all changed. Everything looks really good. So you guys can tell everything's all assembled. It looks great. I already started taking off the exhaust. So we're gonna go back to stock exhaust, and you guys might be wondering why. We're going to stock exhaust just in the meantime so that we can save up a little bit of money. It'll be really good because then I won't be paying it towards stupid tickets and to cops and stuff. And instead of paying them, I'm gonna be saving up for a new exhaust, and then once we get that new exhaust, we'll get a fire exhaust, guys. Super excited for that. I've already disconnected the majority of the exhaust. The only thing left we have is right up at the cats. So we're gonna go up to the catalytic converters, and we're just gonna undo those 4 bolts, and then we're gonna start bolting on our stock exhaust. It'll have our stock Y, and then it'll go to our resonator, and then our muffler.
I don't wanna live and learn. Sorry, I don't wanna change. Thinking back the way we were, it takes me to another place. Because I wanna wake up from this dream. It's our own reality.
First things first though, guys, I want to give the car a little bit of a wash, so we're going to just rinse it down and just give it a nice little cloth wash and with some soap, and just hopefully get it a little cleaner for them.
So close your eyes, open your mind, and let it free. Imaginate and realize it's all you
Don't worry about that
I feel like I'm in a freaking baby car seat.
It keeps you from going places though.
It's like a freaking car seat.
Here. Here. There you go. Now you won't go anywhere.
I'm in a baby car seat.
The car is low to the ground, so if you see a speed bump, don't go over it. Okay?
Alright.
Love you! Have fun! Let's get our air conditioning going, guys. Okay. Guys, our first stop is going to be Pep Boys. We're headed over to Pep Boys Auto. We're going to pick up our power steering pump, and we're going to go from there, guys. Let's get going, though. How's it going, Mom?
I'm in my car seat.
Can't How is that? Mom drives supercar, crashes.
You know, I told all my friends to pray for me before I was driving.
Guys, so the people in this fire paramedic place are taking pictures of the Z, guys. It's super funny. Wait till they see the reaction that they see that it's my mom. Pictures of you. Come on, Mom! Give me one. Give me something. There you go. Come on. We need to get you an exhaust, Mom. We need to get you an exhaust. You want a new car? Can I put an exhaust on it? Do not get a Honda Civic. No! To go a little louder next time. There you go, yeah! Clutch kick! Clutch kick it! Clutch kick! How was it?
Do you want to hold? What's that?
You want to hold the door?
I don't want to hit you.
How was that?
Dude, how do you get in and out of this thing? Literally just hit my ponytail.
Oh
my.
I had her drive that.
You really?
She drove that from her house.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So it was fun to watch her drive. She's like going around. There's like these.
2 hours later.
How's it going? How are you? Good. How are you? It's fine. You can.
Everywhere. Yeah. Thank you, man.
Thank you. You too.
Oh my gosh, you can turn it!
Oh man, a lot better.
Dude, finger. Dude, whip it, slide it. Fuck with us now, McLaren.
There we go. Woo! Okay, go. Alright, let's get the rest of that exhaust on, unfortunately. I'm gonna be sad when we put on the
Oh, I
rest.
miss that smell.
The muffler is gonna dead it.
It's so quiet.
The muffler is gonna kill it. So that's without the resonator, or that's with the resonator, and the last one was without the resonator. That's so quiet. With the muffler, it's gonna be super quiet, I bet.
Yeah.
I'm gonna need to do a resonator delete, because that's...
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no loving, that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things. I gotta just let it all out, I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about, telling me I should do this.